The security operation at Dusit Complex is over and all the terrorists eliminated.
.25, I was on phone, minding my own business, working as usual. Then I had a huge blast just behind me. But at that point, I thought the blast was from Dusit because I'm very security conscious. So I got up, I dropped the phone, I looked for my car keys. Then, before I did anything, there was a shootout.
We have dealt with the threat decisively and shown our enemies and the world that we as a country are ready to deal with any threat to our nation. We have confirmation that 14 innocent lives were lost through the hands of these murderous terrorists. Over 700 civilians were evacuated to safety from the compound since the start of the attack through the early hours of this morning.
I'm very sad to confirm that we believe at least one British national has been killed in the attack. We are providing our support to his family and friends at this very difficult time, and our thoughts are with them.